the Hershey show today.
Oh, the Hershey show.
Okay. Someone's excited. So today's the big day. We are headed to the biggest, go ahead, take it. We are headed to the biggest RV show in the country, and we are so excited. We can't wait to get there. We have so much that we want to share with you. We will be trying to put out at least one video a day. We are going to be doing tours, as many tours as we can, as many of the requested tours that you asked of us. We're going to have the format that we'll have for our tours is we'll show you the vehicle, and then we're going to do John's pet peeves, my favorite features, and then we're going to take a look at the perceived build quality. And we say perceived because obviously there are lots of things that we can't see with the RV, and we're not RV technicians, but what we can look at are things that should have clued us to the quality of our bounder. And we're going to share that with you and rate each of the RVs that we take a look at. So keep watching. Give us plenty of feedback in the comments of each of the tours that we do. If we miss something, we'll try to go back and get that for you, but you got to let us know. One other thing is that we came here straight from Indiana. We got our bounder, or at least many of the issues fixed with our bounder at Fleetwood Service Center. And, you know, I must say, yes, I know, none of it should have happened, and we should have never been put in a situation, and the quality shouldn't have been as bad as it was. However, they did do a very good job of fixing things for us. There are some things we'll have to go back for because they didn't have enough parts. John, I always do all the talking. Did you want to say anything?
I can talk?
Yes, John, you can talk.
No.
No?
Fleetwood was great.
It was. They did a fantastic job with us. So, you know, when it comes down to it, no, you shouldn't build a crappy product. But you know, your customer service is just as good. And there's a lot going on in the RV industry lately. If you follow any of the popular blogs out there, you'll know that there was recently a meeting between the dealerships and the manufacturers. And the dealerships are starting to push back because the dealerships are tired of the type of products that they're receiving and then having to fix.
Yeah.
Do you want to add anything to that, John?
No, that's it.
Don't tell me I didn't ask you to speak the next time. Okay, folks, we're excited about the show. We'll be trying to get a video out a day at least to you, maybe even a couple. Hopefully you won't get overloaded on us. And once again, don't forget, please put stuff in the comments so that, you know, we can give you what you're looking for. That's what we want to do. All right.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
See you at the show.
Bye.